Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. Our latest video is on the new Streamlight Tlr-1 HLX, which includes a few updated features. The part number is 69501. But before I continue with these new updates, please subscribe to our channel to be alerted on new videos like this, how-to videos, and watch to the end for a discount code. So this comes with the key kit with a set of switches that will extend these a little bit if that's your preference. It includes a multi-tool, and it comes with the new SLB9 USB-C rechargeable battery and a USB-C Y-split cable to charge those batteries, which I will get back to here in just a minute, and obviously the updated packaging. To install the batteries, this is going to be a slightly different process than you're used to if you have one of the original Tlr-1s. There's a push button here that's going to release a lever on the other side, and I'm going to rotate that clockwise until it stops, and then that way I can undo the LED. You can see where the hinge is on the other side, and I'm going to place those batteries positive side down on this side, as you can see by the graphic, and on the other side is going to be positive side up. You're going to reinstall the LED. You're going to hear and feel a click, and you're going to have to push a little bit, and now it's locked in, but not fully. You're going to have to rotate that lever again counterclockwise until it comes to a stop, and now the batteries are fully installed. Now, coming back to that Y charging cord, you're going to want to make sure that you charge the batteries, and this has two USB-C because it comes obviously with two batteries. That's going to go into a USB wall block, and you can charge those batteries at the same time, but you have to make sure that they're fully charged. They have an LED indicator light on the batteries. So when it's red, it's charging. When it turns green, it's now fully charged. So as I mentioned before, it comes with a multi-tool, and it has three purposes. It has a slotted screwdriver made out of plastic so you don't scratch the mounting screw when you're installing that. It comes with an E-clip, and this is hard to see, an E-clip install and remove part of the tool. And then it's going to come with this pin. That pin is going to allow you to remove these switches and interchange them with a different set that may match your preference a little bit better. To operate the light, you're going to press either switch and hold down for momentary. So I will press that switch down and hold. As soon as I remove my finger, it's going to turn off, which makes that momentary. Now, if I want this permanently on, I'm going to press real quick one time and remove my finger really quick. And as you can see now, it's permanently on until I press a switch again, and it will turn off. To use the strobe feature, you're going to use Streamlight's 10-tap feature to program the strobe. So you're going to press either switch 10 times quickly, hold on the 10th time, wait for the strobe to turn on, turn off. Now it's programmed. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm holding. The strobe comes on, turns off. Now I can release my finger, and the strobe is programmed. Now, to activate the strobe, instead of pressing the switch one time, you're going to do all the same stuff, but you're going to do it 2 times. So for momentary, I'm going to press 2 times and hold, 1, 2. And then I release my finger, it turns off. For permanent, I'm going to release quickly on the second time, 1, 2. Now the strobe is on until I press a switch again. Before I give you the discount code, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this with your friends and family. The price is located in the description below, But if you use code YT10 at checkout, that will get you 10% off with free shipping. Thank you for watching PremiumSelectSupplies.com.